What's up, you guys? I am back once again. Why am I always saying that? I'm back. Like, of course you're gonna be back. Anyway, so I'm going to show you guys. Oh, you like my background? I can just never find the perfect background. But anyway, so, oh, and I have this suede, well, I say velvet. What do you call this? It's nightgown or whatever. It's velvety. I like it. It's really soft. I am going to show you guys how to achieve a top knot bun. Even though my hair is like straight right now, like, well, the ends is straight, but like my roots are curly as hell because I've been using this pink eco styling gel curl and wave. I straightened my hair like what, a week ago, and now it's pretty curly. If you have natural curly hair and your hair was straightened and then it gets wet, it's going to curl back up. So we're going to do this top knot bun, and I hope it comes out right because my hair right now is straight. So let's see. I also got these cute hair clips. It's actually pink, and I got this. These ones are kind of ugly. Then I got these ones right here. It actually had a white and silver one. Though these are for my sister. So hair clips and hair ties. And I got all this from the dollar store. Dollar Tree. So like from here on out is straight, and then roots curly. That's what happens when you don't wear a shower cap in the shower. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up. Tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Like, I clipped my ends a month back. Not a month, a couple months back. I know I clipped it in 2019. So, I mean, it grew a little. Because my ends were looking real bad. So I had to snip them off. But that's what happens when you have dry ends. They still kind of look bad though. Since I did a big chop, I never blow dried my hair again. All I did was wash it and let it air dry. This video is probably going to be short. Oh my gosh, I don't have any edge control, but that's okay. We're only showing you how to do a top knot bun. Grab your eco styling gel. This one smells like, it doesn't have a bad smell, but it smells good. Open up, shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open. So after that, you want to take your hair. You just don't wrap it like this. No. If you want to achieve that high ponytail, you get your hair tied. put it, wait, let's brush it out first. Should I wet my ends? I think I should. But this method works on curly hair, straight hair. Well, I know it works in curly hair, but we're gonna try it on straight hair. So you wanna tie another one right up there, or you can go higher if you want to, but I'm gonna go right here. See, it should be like this. Boop. And you're done. No, I'm just kidding. So you open it. My hair looks horrible though. And you just twist it around. So it works when your hair is straight. It's definitely gonna work when it's curly. So you get a higher defined bun. And then you do your edges or whatever, you do your baby hairs. You got yourself a top knot bun. You can do whatever. I'm just showing you how to do a top knot bun. You can add whatever. You can add your sideburns. Let me see if I can do some edges, cause baby, I need edge control. I can't just use regular old Eco Styling Gel. Chopstick break. Request my chariot. So let's try and use this. We should be closer than friends. Let's see if this Eco Styling Gel can do something. Request my chariot to get ya. The doors open. Take that high road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open up. Let's see how long this gonna last. Oh, that is too much. That's too much. I mean, it's cool or whatever. It's alright. Simple, quick, and easy. One more thing. Since I ain't got no sweet, I'm just gonna make me an X. That looks good. To the side? Does that look good to the side? To the side? Does that look good to the side? Like that? It looks weird. I'm not feeling that.